Whenever I cut this out, the roof is gonna wanna drop.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a fucking monster project here. This one got blasted in this back corner. Pretty much all of this on the inside and outside. This whole corner is gonna get replaced. So I am at the point now, I have to cut this last piece out, which is gonna be this piece right here. And whenever I cut this out, the roof is gonna wanna drop because it's not gonna have any support there. So I have to come up with a way to support the roof. I think I'm gonna try this right here. I'm gonna put this prop rod in there, and then I'm also gonna lock vice grips on it just to make sure it doesn't move. Now I have this back panel piece that goes across the under backside right here. This is going to be a little tricky, but I'm going to go ahead and start dissecting the back of this and get this piece removed. Well, it is time to start piecing this puzzle together. There's a lot of parts to this. I'm gonna start right here, and I'll start fitting on the rear back panel, and I'm gonna start just piecing it together piece by piece.